way to get out.
Don't sing, sing me a lullaby of home, where the ancient trees watch over quiet hedgerows, and river run through the fields of green and gold. Whisper your words are clear when I grow old.